Today we learn about animal names. What is this? This is cat. What is this? This is dog. What is this? This is mouse. What is this? This is hen. What is this? This is cock. What is this? This is monkey. What is this? This is lion. What is this? This is tiger. What is this? This is horse. What is this? This is cow. What is this? This is buffalo. What is this? This is goat. What is this? This is sheep. What is this? This is camel. What is this? This is donkey. What is this? This is deer. What is this? This is zebra. What is this? This is giraffe. What is this? This is kangaroo. What is this? This is fox. What is this? This is bear. What is this? This is elephant. What is this? This is wolf. What is this? This is rabbit. What is this? This is squirrel. What is this? This is gorilla. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.